Hello everyone, welcome to another video from National Bank of Vanuatu. We continue block online, we talk about digital platforms for NBV where bank can be making available to customers to really enjoy banking block. The last video we've been mentioning small about school fees, payments through the IsiMobile app. You will start with type of school fee, or parents will start with the type of school fee. The video block today, but we want them show you or specific steps inside the app where you show you how to pay my school fee starting from start plan, custom end plan. So time you click the app the phone you by me taking you the login screen where you required to put pin you. After you put pin, me taking you inside the main screen where me show every active accounts you. So blow find them option blow pay school fee. You may click the 3 line the top left hand side of the screen. Okay. Then you click the 3 line and you show you every options we available up. School fee option and install law payments. So by you look at number 5 the list all services we available up. So you may press them payment. Let me take a new screen. By you look payment is the bottom of the screen, you may click hem. Let me take a main screen now, but you may make a school fee payment by you hem. So the top you may have all accounts by so by you need to select them account by you where money and me come out hem by you school from school fee. So how do you select the account? You press them flag Vanuatu ya by me choose account by you by money come out hem. Okay, so just under the from account, you look school is up. You just press them to school ya. By look, me take a new color screen where me show them every province of Vanuatu. So how you may organize all schools inside the app? You may arrange them for all provinces. Play me easy lo you all user, lo you find them school you stop one them pay feel them. So like example lo today, but you may pay one school province lo Shefa. Okay, so by you may select them Shefa. School by me pay school fee hem Shefa me central school. Okay, so time you click lo Shefa, you have a look every school of Shefa me listed lo alphabetical order. Start lo A, kasam set depending lo how school lo name. School lo install look out them from the hemi one top school lo evate where me one popular school full of students go hem full of money comes to make payments hem me stab lo top 5 schools and up there. But otherwise, suppose you choose one different school apart from central, all you need to do is scroll, follow the list got on, but you find a school where you want them pay. Okay, so you may select central and top here, and me give him the school details, account number of the school, and me saved finish install up. So you may no need to worry the account number from me saved install up finish. All you need to make me click on confirm it down there. Central school me confirm as school where me pay. Okay, and then you may look payment amount. You may select the amount by me pay. Actually, you must enter an amount there. So put an amount by you stop agree, but you pay feel him. Student name, you may need to type full name the student. Okay, so we put name the student. Remember, every information is to enter by me appear lo bank account statement lo school. So information you put them must be correct from a manner, but school is identify payment hem say yes me payment lo student where me blow you. So make sure the information you put them straight. Okay, you become lo by me look at me start lo kindergarten because me 14. You may want them cover up every scenarios, every schools of Vanuatu, so you may make me open or some. So lo case to me today, but you may choose year 7. Okay, come down and find it here. You may look class. So you got some schools they got more than one class lo 1 year. Some schools maybe got one class number lo year 7. Lo side of central, we got more than one class. Lo year 7. So, but we must select them class where me straight So log place up behind me B. Okay, after you come down underneath lo last one lo screen ya, mi talam set term. So you need to select them. When I'm term now, you start term. By look time you click lo term, and you start lo 1 to 4 after you got all. So maybe some cases you one man is the term fee lo full ya, you press them all. So la case to me term lo term 1. Okay. Now yeah, you click lock confirm. So before you click lock confirm, you just need to look through back again, make sure that every information is straight. From the moment you click lock confirm, payment is stop out there now, money is stop out lock account, you stop close school. Okay, so you look every information is stop, you click him, press them confirm. Then you click lock confirm by one receipt also may come out. So you look receipt me show end up say me success, me show status for payment you got 1000 over 2. Got reference is stop here from account to central school student name, and then all arrival information where stop to low receipt. Okay, so process plan and me finish now. So you look at me very simple and me easy. Block pack, you press them 3 line up again, you miss a pack lo payments. Payment no you make them and me always stop low history. So suppose we after the payment you want them send them copy lo receipt ko school through lo email. You bisa click hem. You bisa screenshot lo receipt ya. Mo email them lo email lo schools because you got. Otherwise, you always have a column school. Talam lo kata just make one payment. You come through every details where you put them. But school look lo account hem. So your steps where you have follow lo IsiMobile app. Completing one payment or school fee. So you look at me very short. Not taking you full of time. But think about so you have make any place lo Vanuatu as long as you got money lo account you got good internet connection. You have school fee you without coming to a branch. When you start overseas, you have follow some steps. You make school fee payments. But you start work lo Australia, New Zealand. But you start paying school fee, but beginning in schools lo Vanuatu, you have follow more steps and any place we start learning overseas. You fly start all branches from you time, but them you suppose you got phone, you not join them up yet. Please come around, visit the many branches, start close up you. And we fly help them you connect to IsiMobile, or NBV banking you, or them national bank lo Vanuatu. Thank you, Thomas.